Hello there, we're on the final two. I'm back with my last card and I've kept this one really simple. For the last card, it's a bit similar to card 5 and 6 that we did with the presents and the tree, but a different layout. Really easy layout to do. It would work with a circle if you've only got one oval left. As I say, everything is interchangeable. So we're using one of the banners and I've got everything prepped. I'm using a white card base. So what I've done is I cut my paper down to 14.8. So I cut that slither off so it was the full length. And then these two pieces actually represent paper being cut in half. So if you cut it, one's slightly bigger than the other, but cut it at 7.5 once you've cut your 14.8, and then you've got two pieces to use on your two cards. And this one, oh look, should we do this one that way? I don't know. Will it be overkill? Oh, now I've thrown myself now because I'm thinking, oof, is it going to be too jazzy with all those gold stripes? I don't know. I'm going to stick to the green stars because I like that. But that's your option. And then you must have loads of papers left, so you've got loads to be able to carry on with. So I'm just going to stick that in the centre, like that. Okay, and then I'm actually going to glue my oval down, and it's about a third of the way. It's not, that's half, so it's a little bit further up, about a third of the way down. Okay, and then I've cut some presents out, but I also need this banners one again, and I'm going to use the Happy Christmas one again. And I'm going to stamp it in the middle of this banner, like that. And I'll start assembling my presents. So now I've cut slightly different presents out. Basically, didn't have the exact same presents left. I want that gold one at the front. So I've sort of got chunkier presents here. Might spread them out a bit more. And that one can go behind there a bit. Let's move that one over. Actually, hang on. We'll have that like that. We'll have that there. Yeah, we'll have that like that. So just play about with it. I'm just going to, because I'm trying to do it and my card's popping up, just put your scissors or something to hold your card down so you can steady it down. And like we did on the other one, I'm going to take one off and I'm going to foam pad these front two, and the one at the back and the one at the sides, the two at the sides, are going to be glued directly onto the card. Now I've moved them all. Never mind. Just done completely the opposite of what I said to do. I don't know if I want a gap like that. I'm trying to squidge it over now. Yeah, we'll do that. So I'll glue that one next to the red one on the right, like that, because I don't want a big gap. And this one's chunky. It's a chunky one, that one. I want this one, the spotty gold one. I want that present. Yeah, I'm happy with those. So I'm going to put some foam pads on these. So I'm going to stick the gold one, the one that's the sort of most in the distance, this one, I'm going to stick that one on first with foam pads. Like that. Then remember from the other card, we don't want foam pads on the bit that's overlapping, but we do on this side because this one's not stuck up with foams. So we put 2 foam pads here, yeah, and then a bit of glue on that side. Like that. Okay, a nice pile of prezzies. And now I'm going to take my Happy Christmas, and I want this to be layered up. So I am going to put some foam pads along the bottom of this, like that. Oh, and it feels good to have the last card done. And there we go. Boom. How quick was that? That video's another 7 minutes. So there we have cards 9 and 10. So I hope you managed to make all your cards. Let's have a little recap of the cards, and please feel free to share on social media and tag me in. So these were some examples of cards 1 and 2. I went a bit wild with these and did a few designs of those. So they were cards 1 and 2. Then we have cards 3 and 4. These are my faves. Then we have cards 5 and 6. Then cards 7 and 8. And finally, cards 9 and 10. 10 Christmas cards all done. And plenty of stuff left over. So I hope you've enjoyed the day. I know it's been a little bit different to normal, but I hope you've love your cards and you've enjoyed making your cards. And look out for more classes soon. And these videos will stay on my channel so you can refer to them. And any of the cards, the layouts, the templates can work with all different papers. It doesn't have to be Christmas. So when I use papers, I try and go with designs that can work with all different papers. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I've really enjoyed crafting along with you and chatting with you. And thank you for all your support. And I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.